namhlanje kuthe kusisa nje sabe sibhizi celebrate nokwina kweBafana Bafana. Being a South African is a flex. Even ama-haters bafethu bayofumana ama-chest pains baphinde babe right. Ni aware into yoba aswinanga against South Korea kuphela. Siwine against AFCON. Ayi bafethu uThixo namhlanje usithandile ngibani wayesazi into yoba namhlanje singabe sisithi uVusi Muziket Matlala upleade guilty on all charges ezinokwenza nala fraud and corruption case yakhe lamcimba kwenza la tender yase SAPS. Nzabuya kuyo ngapha iMadlanga Commission ayifuni uqhelwa nguKarim Sulumane ovela abe nemikhuba nje yogula nexa kumele into bazo appeara apha kuMadlanga Commission ngapha bokukhona uTumelo Nku because namhlanje bome bakuzwa uappeara uKarim Sulumane baba nezistory but ke ngoku kwabe beyireplacer iappearance yakhe ngoTumelo Nku. Hayi umuntu uzakazi noba makaqale uyaqale ngekavusi kuMuziket Matlala izolo bafethu ke kwavela into apha into yoba uVusi Muziket Matlala bayamseparate bayamkhipha from bonke ababanye o-accused kule case yakhe enokwenza nala tender yase SAPS then kwathiwa izasuka kwi-separate court ke nyani namhlanje uappearile kwi-separate court lapho sive khona into yoba phofu ayidek bese ike yabanako nje ukubreaka into yoba ingathi ukuthetha-thethisana noVusi Muziket Matlala ingathi kuyacalanye so ke namhlanje court lapho sive khona into yoba uVusi Muziket Matlala uthena into i-state witness uVusi Muziket Matlala upleada guilty on all charges ezinokwenza nalo noba buqhophololo bala tender yakhe ngaphezulu face about 15 years with about 7 years ingasuspendwa ibe suspended sentence baza explainela ke osaziwayo into yoba konje xa kuthethwa ngo-8 years lona okanye kuyithini nje ithini ningalibalanga lokuthini ba thina zethu ijele nje zeze zingabhadlanga ukubalwa ubusuku imini nobusuku so ithini nje into yakhona more or less how much time is he facing with the possibility zoba bekaza nobuqhophololo Muslim igulukuthi sive sokuthiwa wagula wathini and then ngaphezulu I also want somebody who's going to be able to confirm into yoba since they already has spent almost a year ejele or over a year ejele what is that going to kuzakwenzekani ngaloyo but because according to mna that year it was before because a trial nje it has nothing to do with the sentencing yakhe i-sentencing yakhe xa seke sentence izawuqala ngoko i-sentence yakhe but ke sizayiba izawuthini indaba kabani ekaVusi Muziket Matlala hey divele ndavela even la tsakane la mfazi wakhe lwa because ngoku kaloku ngaba bebemane mos bedibadibane court ufike bebambabambana bethi now that abasezumane noba bedibadibane izawuthi inlendo asiyazi okanye kuleya icase because remember ikhona la case yaba bayivelela bonke apho kwake bathola ngokuba ufuna ukubulala uTeboho Thobejane so sizayivanjisa thina phethubeni ngapha hey bafethu ndibuye ePitori and ukuba sePitori udibala nje nemoto nje zingaqondakali nje ezimnyamanyanya ubusazi ba uKhet Matlala lapha hey madoda hey ayawonwabi man ubudriver nje eceleni kweEverqoni hey madoda awuhalela ulanga nje ukuzibhaqa nje nawe uphakathi nje kwemovie nje ubungayiplananga uzibhaqe nje nawe nje so uyipho part and parcel yecast because hey bafethu zininzi movie ezingadlalwa nje yaba abantu akusingabantu okhale kuba seduze kwabo ivala noba ndibona babemali embabe ayiboya bamabulali man thandi ngihambe eceleni kwabo sharp ke sibuye size kwekaKarim Sulumane. Karim Sulumane unomkhuba oba ngexa kumele into bazo-appeara kuMadlanga Commission uyagula yena uya-hospitalizwa yena uvakale namhlanje evidence leader esithi banenjongo bezi-evidence leader babona into bayimani ngomkhuba lento yakhe because uba ngabakhonto emfunisa uba makazo-appeara kuMadlanga Commission hayi akaguli and bafila into yoba kukhona indelelo akayenzayo and akacooperate bathi sebelindele ezinye izinto zifana nama-statements okanye financial statements zasebhenke nani utshona vela yayo zinto abe enga-admithwanga ngephofu esibhedlela engazi izinto futhi ezinzima nje ngaleyo ndlela but nje whether i-coincidence whether intoni sebefuna into kuMadlanga Commission number 1 imcharge a-prosecutwe for ukuthini ukudelela iMadlanga Commission number 2 bafuna into yoba uMadlanga Commission ibe isenza ii-findings ngale i-evidence eseyilidiwe ngaye uKarim Sulumane ngeze sizazi izinto ubiyawuzala nkomoni bafethu andiyazi but sike sayibona mos already pha ku-Mike van Wyk into iMadlanga Commission ayisela xesha lakudlala ngoku uba ukho bakwazi uqhubeka at your absentia so ubeyawuzala nkomoni bafethu asiyazi sibuye size ngapha then after ke so eka Karim Suleman kwa testify uTumelonku. Tumelonku ningalibalanga ngulona emos uwitness J lo singazange simbone singazange sive even i-testimony yakhe. Zikhona nje bit and portions ze testimony yakhe ezeza sharwa kwathatha izakwenziwa public. Ikhona into ethi ngumgulukudu onokwenza nentoni neziyobisi. uTumelonku lo yena ohlobene nobani nala Chief Mashaba owase Gauteng Gauteng traffic. Ukuba iyawuzala Nkomoni bafethu hayi asazi, hayi bafethu andiyazi, but nje ndiyabona nje ba ilanga nje lamhlanje nje uThixo nje uthe nje usafuna nje ukususa nje amabhadi asuse nje inkungu. Ukuthi ke bafethu izolo ne kuvele into yoba ingathi ugovernment wethu ufuna ukusidelela, but decline i-application ye-March and March eyokuba mabamatshe eDurban. So yakhona into ethi but ndabathanda kwabona abo be-aware khona into yoba even with ukudecline kwabo lando abantu basengaqhubha. Sidiniwe bafethu kukumamelana no-government, ugovernment ongazibiselanga ngusimamela. So u-aware into yoba abantu basengaqhubha bengayifumananga lando, but at the very same time ukumatsha ungafumananga permission ku-illegal. So siyahalela ukwazi ba ugovernment yinto lento akafuna ukuyibona. So that's just about it for now bafethu. I am exhausted, I am tired, but mark this day, which is the 25th of June 2026, because I am busy doing a documentary about something. That's something which I will share. Give it a couple of months or so, but it's about my personal experience, my personal story. So yeah, have a good night, guys. I am tired and I'm excited at the same time, and well done to Abafana Bafana.
And in particular, the one worrying thing that we see is what the medical reports disclose is that Mr. Karim has not been hospitalized continuously since April. He tends to get hospitalized just as his appearances before this commission are scheduled, and that is worrying. And it's particularly worrying in the context of a situation where very basic, quite aside from his appearances, there are very basic requests for some documents to be furnished, like financial statements. It doesn't take much to issue an instruction for financial statements of a company to be made available to this commission if you're not in hospital. And what we see is a simple refusal to comply with these notices, coupled with a pattern of, as an appearance date appears, suddenly Mr. Karim needs hospitalization. Now, it may be perfectly true. It may be that by coincidence, or possibly not by coincidence, his medical condition compounded by the stress of an imminent appearance requires his hospitalization. It is, I'm not saying it's not true.
Usumusi Matlala, a 49-year-old male South African citizen with identity number 7605 2856 35081, residing at 23 Almena Midstream Estate, extension 65, Centurion, Gauteng Province. Accused number 2, Medicare 24 Tshwane District Pty Ltd, a company registered and incorporated in terms of the provision of the Companies Act 2008, Act 71 of 2008, with registration number 2019/073674/07, an address listed as 4th floor, Mercedes-Benz Place, 210 Aramist Avenue, Menlyn, Maine, Pretoria, Gauteng Province, as represented by accused number 1 as a director. 3. Lapso Africa Brand Investments Pty Ltd, a company registered and incorporated in terms of the provision of the Companies Act 2008, Act 71 of 2008, with registration number 2015/073600/07, with address listed as 60 Royal Palm Drive, Globbersdal, Limpopo, as represented by accused number 1 as director. Hereinafter referred to, the accused are guilty of the following offences. Count 1, fraud, read with the provisions of Section 51, Subsection 2 of the Criminal Law Amendment Act 1997, Read with sections 84, 92, 94, 99, 103, 221, 236, and 246 of the Criminal Procedure Act 1997 in respect of accused number 1 and 2, counts 2 to 4, general offense of corruption, in contravention of section 3B, read with sections 1, 2, 24, 25, 26, 1, A and Roman numeral 2 and 26 subsection 3 of the Prevention and Combating of the Corrupt Activities Act 2004, Act number 12 of 2004, and further read with sections 84, 92, 94, 236, 256, 269A and 332 of the Criminal Procedure Act 1997 in respect of accused number 1, 2 and 3 only, counts 5 to 7, money laundering in contravention of section 4, read with sections 1 and 8 of the Prevention of Organized Crime Act 1988, Act 121 of 1998, and further reads with section 332 of the Criminal Procedure Act 1997 in respect of accused 1, 2, and 3 only. The charge sheet, Your Worship, the Part A of the charge sheet deals with the legal framework that governs procurement of goods and services by organs of state. It deals with the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa, the Preferential Procurement Policy Framework Act, the Broad-Based Black Economic Empowerment Act, and then Part B deals with the legal framework that governs the Prevention and Combating of Corrupt Activities Act.